Good morning, kids. How are you? All of you are fine. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. Okay, kids. All of you are looking very happy. Wow. All of you are looking very happy. Okay, kids. Now, what is the day today? What is the day? Yeah, today is Wednesday. This is the day today. Today is Wednesday. Okay, now look outside. What's the weather? What's the weather? Is it raining? Is it raining there? Here it is not raining. Here it is very sunny. Here it is very sunny. I am feeling hot. I am feeling very hot. Feeling very hot. Okay, now last week what did you learn? What did you learn? Yeah, you learned a story. I taught you a story. What was the story? Toby and the tap. Toby and the tap. Toby and the tap. Okay, now which and all words did you learn at that time? Which all words? Yeah, which are the words? Tiger. 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 Towel. Towel. What's it? Towel. Tennis racket. What is it? Tennis racket. Then tap. Tap. What is it? Tap. What is this one? Tub. What is it? Tub. Then telephone. What is it? Telephone. What is it? Telephone. Okay, what's the sound of T? T, T, T. What's the sound of T? T, T, T. Okay, today we are going to learn how to write T. How to write T. Okay, okay. I'm going to take my pen. All of you be ready with your slate. എല്ലാവരും സ്ലേറ്റ് എടുത്തിട്ട് റെഡി ആയിരിക്കുക. All of you be ready with your slate. Don't write. Ma'am will say write. Ma'am എഴുതാൻ പറയും. Ma'am എഴുതാൻ പറയും. അപ്പം എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഇപ്പം എഴുതണ്ട. Now don't write. Okay? So be ready with your slate and slate pencil. Don't write. Don't write. Okay, all of you see the board. Okay? Okay, I'm going to write T. I'm going to write T. Capital letter T. First a standing line, then a sleeping line. Capital letter T. What is it? From the top, draw a standing line. From top, draw a standing line. Then a sleeping line. Then a sleeping line. What is it? T. A standing line and a sleeping line. What is it? T. A standing line and a sleeping line. Capital letter T. Now small letter T. Now you are going to write small letter T. Okay, from the top, go down, then turn, then write a sleeping line, then write a sleeping line in the second line. What is it? Small letter T. Small letter T. Okay, again I am going to write small letter T. What is it? From the top, go down, then turn and write here a sleeping line. What is it? Small letter T. Small letter T. How to write? Draw a standing line, turn, then write a sleeping line. Small letter T. Okay, now kids, take your slate. All of you take your slate. All of you be ready with your pencil. Be ready with your pencil. Okay? Okay? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So Draw a standing line. Draw a standing line. Draw. Draw a standing line. All of you draw? Okay. Then a sleeping line. Draw a standing line. Then a sleeping line. Draw a standing line. Yes. Then a sleeping line. All of you wrote capital letter T. All of you wrote capital letter T. Now, I am going to write small letter T. I am going to write small letter T. Here it is. Draw a standing line. Turn. Then draw a sleeping line. How is it? Draw a standing line. Then turn. Then draw a sleeping line. Draw a standing line. Then turn. Then draw a sleeping line. Small letter T. Small letter T. Okay kids, one more time I will write capital letter T and a small letter T. Okay. Standing line. Then a sleeping line. Standing line. Then a sleeping line. Here small letter T I am going to write. Draw a standing line. Then turn. Then draw a sleeping line. Okay. Now I will show you a big T. Okay. Now I am rubbing this one. Okay. Okay. See. Draw a draw a standing line. Then a sleeping line. T. Draw a standing line. Then a sleeping line. Draw a standing line. Turn. Then draw a sleeping line. What is it? T. All of you wrote it? All of you wrote it? Ellarum ezhudiyo? I'll give you a tick, a star and an ice cream. Okay, good kids. Now, one more time, I will revise the words starting with T. That is in your book. That is in your book. നിങ്ങളുടെ ബുക്കിലുള്ള വേർഡ്സ് ഇല്ലേ അത് മാം ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കൂടി റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ. ടൈഗർ, ടാപ്പ്, towel, tennis racket, telephone, tub. ഓക്കെ. ഇനി നിങ്ങളുടെ ബുക്കിലില്ലാത്ത വേർഡ്സ് മാം പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. ബുക്കിലില്ലാത്തത് ടീ വെച്ചിട്ട്, ബുക്കിലില്ലാത്ത വേർഡ്സ് ടീ വെച്ചിട്ട് എന്തൊക്കെയാ? ടേബിൾ. എന്താണ്? ടേബിൾ. ടേബിൾ. ടെഡി ബിയർ. ടെഡി ബിയർ. ടെഡി ബിയർ. Then tomato. 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 What is this one? Truck. Truck. What is it? Truck. 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 Train. What is it? Train. Train. Okay. I hope all of you understood. I hope all of you understood. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായോ? So, what's the sound of T? T. What's the sound of T? T. Okay, kids. Shall I stop my class? Shall I wind up my class? Okay, bye.